Hello guys, I greet you guys from wherever you're watching me from. This is Special Nation Lifestyle. So guys, in today's video we want to make our mini pizza, so stay tuned with us as we do it. If you do it exactly the way we do it, everything will come out perfectly super yummy. So I'll show you my yogurt. This is my yeast, this is my salt, and this is my sugar, this is my flour, and we have oil there. So this is the measuring cup and the measuring stuff I'll be using for the pizza. So let's dive into it as we make it. So now guys, I'll bring out my cup for the oil. I'm going to measure full cup of oil. After measuring it, turn it into the bowl, as you can see. so guys, if you do it the way I'm doing it, trust me, if it will come out super yummy. Try it and tell me what you experience in the comment section. So guys, this I measured 5 spoons of sugar. This is powder milk. 10 spoons of powder milk I added into the bowl. After my oil, after my sugar, this is my powder milk. After this one, I'll be adding, you can see, like a coffee spoon of salt. Not too much, a coffee spoon of salt. So I've added into it. I'm adding my yeast to it. So I'll be making use of 2 yeast because what I want to do is much. I make 2 sachets of yeast. So I've added my yeast to it now. You can see this is the second one. I'll add it to it. After adding it to it, I will stir it super good. When I mean stirring it super good, you see, this is it. So after that, I'll be adding my yogurt into it. I'll be adding 3/4 of this cup of yogurt into my measurement. This is it. So I've added it to it. After this one now, then I will dive into adding my water to it, warm water for that matter. You see it, I'll add warm water because I've already set my the tap into warm. I'll add my warm water into it and stir it super good for every super thing to be mixed and mixed and mixed and mixed. Any mix everything super good. So after mixing like this, guys, so this is when we'll be adding our flour. So wash and stay tuned. So go and do your own and come and tell me the feedback. So I've added 1 cup, added second cup, added the third cup, guys. So in terms of mix it there. So as you can see, I'm a great clean girl. I wash my hand, then mix it again, mix it. Mixing the cash clothes, guys. I miss it to grab them. So I'm doing this for the kids for their school. So they'll be taking it to school as part of their breakfast, I added another flour to it because I know that it has not yet given me the texture I'm looking for. So I'm adding this cup, 6 of it to it. So this is the 5th one. You can count it very good. I first added 3 before mixing. Then while mixing, I added another extra 2. After then, I'll add another one to it to make sure that everything come out well. So I'll mix it because to make sure that every is well mixed. Well mixed. Like this now, my hand is telling on me already, so I have to bring it down to start mixing it super good. You must mix it. I'll mix everything. Anything missable, we'll mix it. So this is where I'm missing it like tomorrow nothing. So guys, I'll finish mixing it. I'll cover it with my bowl, with my plastic bag for it to dry. So I keep it now. So we are making our sambosa now. So guys, you can see we are doing everything together for the kids to be taken to school. So this sambosa now, they can take it for their lunch, part of their lunch, after adding other cereal to it. So this is the pot of the meat. I already do the blended meat already. I don't want to do it too much. The blended, we blend it from the busher. So I just add my seasoning to it, a little bit of black pepper, onion, grated onion to stir it, to fry it on the fire. After everything, then leave it for a while. Put a little bit of salt. After that, leave it for a while. Then when it's ready, so this is the what's it called? Sambosa bread. just tell me what you feel in the comment section. So guys, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, oh my beautiful cat, welcome to the family, to the lovely, amazing family. So guys, when I say welcome to the family, do you all know what it means? Subscribe to the channel and give every bit of my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share my video and comment where you are watching it from. So guys, so my amazing and super subscriber, my followers, thank you for always being there, for following me up in every video that I post. Thank you, I really love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Your love is in my heart. So guys, all we do is this channel, our lifestyle in Arab country, Iraq, Baghdad for that matter. So guys, please, as you're watching this video, do support us with your love, your like, and share this video so that it can get some more hands. So thank you very much. Stay tuned as you enjoy the video. Bye bye. See you in my next